Hi, I'm Julia. If you're serious about growing your channel, YouTube Shorts are a powerful way to get noticed. But showing up every single day to post manually, that's just not realistic. Here's how you can schedule your YouTube Shorts automatically using Circleboom Publish. First, log into Circleboom Publish from your browser. Once you're inside the dashboard, click on YouTube Specific. That's where you'll manage and schedule your YouTube Shorts. Next, upload your video. Just drag and drop your short, or upload it by selecting the file. You can also upload and schedule multiple shorts in one go. After uploading, it's time to enter your video details. Add your title, select your audience, and write a description. Need help with that part? Circleboom has an AI description writer that can generate smart, engaging captions for you in seconds. Now, once all your details are ready and your video looks good to go, click the Schedule button. Here's the cool part. Circleboom analyzes your audience's activity and suggests the best times to post. Choose one of those suggested time slots and hit Schedule. That's it. Your short is now ready to publish at the perfect time, automatically. Circleboom makes YouTube Shorts scheduling easy, smart, and efficient. You focus on the content. Let Circleboom handle the timing.